Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the features of the Shop Stool with Backrest, a versatile and heavy-duty mechanic garage stool perfect for workshops and garages. This stool boasts a larger seat cushion with a 14.96-inch diameter and a 2.76-inch thick memory foam padding, providing superior comfort compared to other stools. The seat is covered with durable PVC material, making it both waterproof and oil-proof, ensuring easy cleaning. With a stable backrest offering lumbar support, this stool reduces fatigue during long work hours, while its adjustable height from 25.6 to 32.28 inches allows you to find the perfect level for any task. The 360-degree swivel seat offers a full range of motion, and the stool's robust design, featuring a thick angle steel frame, supports up to 300 pounds, making it ideal for heavy use in various settings. For easy assembly, remember to leave some wiggle room when tightening the nuts and bolts, and ensure the stool sits level before securing everything in place. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more product insights. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.